Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix ads popping up on Android. First, check your recent apps list for anything suspicious you do not recognize, as new apps can sometimes be the source of these ads. Many ad-serving applications hide in plain sight or have very generic names, making them hard to spot. A quick scan often reveals the culprit, allowing you to move forward with troubleshooting. This initial step is surprisingly effective for many users experiencing sudden ad outbreaks. To locate the source, open your phone settings and navigate to the Apps or Applications section. Here, you can sort your apps by last used or installed date to identify recent additions or active programs that might be causing the problem. Pay close attention to apps with extensive permissions like Display over other apps or Draw over other apps. This setting is a common tactic for aggressive ad delivery, so revoking it can often resolve the issue. After identifying the ad-generating application, simply tap on it and select Uninstall. If the Uninstall button is unavailable, go to Settings, then Security, and find Device Admin Apps to revoke its administrative access. Once disabled, return to the app list and proceed with the uninstallation. Regularly clearing your browser's cache and cookies can also prevent persistent browser-based pop-ups from returning, ensuring a cleaner experience. To prevent future pop-up ads, always download applications from the Google Play Store and read reviews before installing. Be cautious of granting excessive permissions, especially to apps that do not clearly need them for their core function. For an extra layer of protection, consider installing a reputable ad blocker for your web browser. These proactive steps will help maintain a smooth and ad-free experience on your Android device for the long term.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.